What if I told you that the way you're trying to protect your child is actually the very thing holding them back? You love them, no doubt. But some silent parenting habits are quietly damaging their confidence, and you don't even see it. Most parenting mistakes aren't loud. They're subtle, invisible, and they often come from a place of love. But these mistakes, they can shape how your child sees themselves, forever. Let's talk about 3 common mistakes that well-meaning parents make, and how to spot them before they do lasting harm. Mistake 1. Constant correction instead of connection. We want our kids to behave well, so we constantly correct them. Don't do that. Say it properly. Stop whining. But here's the truth, correction without connection feels like rejection. Your child starts to feel like they're always wrong. Their inner voice becomes one of self-doubt. Instead, before correcting, connect. A simple, "I see you're upset, let's talk about it." It's not about ignoring bad behavior. It's about building trust first. Mistake 2. Saving them from every struggle. You tie their shoelaces even when they can. You speak for them when they stumble. You finish their homework when they cry. Why? Because you hate to see them struggle. But guess what? Every time you step in, you take away their chance to build resilience. Struggle isn't failure. It's practice for real life. Let them try, and sometimes fail. Then cheer them on. That's how confidence is truly built. Mistake 3. Comparing them, even casually. You're so shy, unlike your sister. Why can't you be more focused like Arav? Even if you say it jokingly, it hurts. Your child hears, "I'm not enough." And over time, this creates deep-seated insecurity and sibling rivalry. Stop comparing. Start celebrating their unique journey. Instead of, "Why aren't you like them?" ask, "What lights you up?" Take a deep breath. If you've made any of these mistakes, welcome to the club. We all have. But the beauty of parenting? Every day is a chance to begin again. Start with just one small shift today. Your child may not say it out loud, but one day, they'll feel it, and they'll thank you. If this resonated with you, hit the like button, share it with another parent, and subscribe for real, heart-centered parenting advice. Let's grow together.